Today I'm going to be talking about how to use vehicle activation penalties to encourage vehicle efficiency, and oftentimes we hear people referring to this as prioritizing a backhaul when going back to a depot. And so this is a typical example of a pickup and delivery problem where we have a bunch of stops with precedence, so pickups come before drop-offs. And we just have some basic settings for the vehicle. So they start and end at the same location, and there's a start and end time and a speed. And you can see that in the run result here, we've used two vehicles to serve this route. Vehicle 2 has 16 stops on it, and vehicle 4 has 4 stops on it. Now, what I would like to show next is an example of using the vehicle activation penalty and how that route changes. And so if I go into my input, the one change that I made here is I added a default vehicle activation penalty right here. And so what this does is it says, let's use this penalty to increment our objective function every time we add a new vehicle into the solution. So this discourages using additional vehicles and encourages being very efficient about the vehicles that we do activate. So let's look at that result now. And we can see here, instead of using 2 vehicles, we're now only using 1 vehicle to serve all 20 stops. And so this does encourage that vehicle, that backhaul of that vehicle when going through the route versus activating multiple vehicles and using them less efficiently. Thank you.